You're going to be amazed. It's crazy. Hello everyone, Tami Goodwin here, and I am super excited. I have a PSA, a public service announcement. I want you guys to please go out and buy you a smoke detector. I want you to take that smoke detector and I want you to install it in your garage. And I know you're saying, why do I want to put a smoke detector in my garage? Well, let me tell you what happened to my friend Ted Fithian, who works with America's Preferred Home Warranty, which is one of the best home warranty companies to get. And they do a great job. So if you need a good home warranty company, I'll send you Ted's information. So Ted was at a meeting with us just recently, and he was telling me about a situation that happened with he and his family. Ted's wife, she came home one day. She parked her car in the garage like normal. She turned the car off. She walked into the house. They were in the house 10 minutes and their house was going up in flames. I kid you not. It was up in flames. You can see the smoke bellowing from the windows from the garage. It was crazy. His wife parked her car in the garage next to his car. So both of those cars, gone. His daughter's car was outside, parked in the driveway. The wife's car caught his car on fire. Then both of them, because the fire burned through the garage, out the door, and burnt her car up. So that's 3 cars. During this time, the smoke is making its way through the house. And half of their house burnt down. You guys, when I tell you it was crazy, the smoke bellowing from the house, you're going to be like, wow. So I'm going to say this again. It is very important for you to go out and purchase a smoke detector and put it in your garage.